Assalamu Alaikum. Did you know that Islam has many hidden gems and amazing secrets that most people don't know? Today, I'm going to share 5 hidden facts about Islam that will truly surprise you. Let's dive in. Fact number 1. The Quran is the only holy book preserved exactly as it was revealed. Over 1.4 billion Muslims around the world read the same words, in the same order, as revealed 1,400 years ago. Imagine that, a message unchanged across centuries. Fact number 2. Islam encourages seeking knowledge more than any other religion. Prophet Muhammad said, seeking knowledge is mandatory for every Muslim. From science to everyday wisdom, learning and understanding the world is a key part of faith. Fact number 3. The Quran contains amazing scientific facts discovered centuries later. For example, it describes the development of a human embryo in ways that modern science only recently confirmed. It's incredible how these details were revealed so long ago. Fact number 4. Ramadan is not just about fasting from food and water. It's a month of spiritual purification, self-discipline, and empathy. Millions of Muslims around the world experience a deep connection with Allah and with humanity during this blessed month. Fact number 5. Islam promotes peace and justice more than many realize. The word Islam itself comes from salam, meaning peace. It encourages fairness, kindness, and respect for all human beings, regardless of their background. These are just 5 amazing hidden facts about Islam, and there are countless more waiting to be discovered. If you want to learn more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing facts every week. Jazakallahu khair.